Learn to kickbox. Kickboxing is a martial art that combines kicking and punching moves. Kickboxing is good for self-defense and also for exercise. There are many styles of kickboxing including American style, European style, and Japanese style. This sport is pretty difficult to learn if you are just going to rely on books and instructional videos. It is important that you learn to kickbox hands-on so that you can learn the right techniques. Learn how to kickbox by following the steps below. Enroll in kickboxing training. Visit your local fitness center or gym and see if they conduct kickboxing lessons. It will be best to work with a trainer, especially if you are just a beginner. Enroll yourself in kickboxing lessons and purchase the necessary clothes and equipment for your training. Learn how to balance. Kickboxing moves have plenty of kicks. You should be able to balance yourself in one foot and give a forceful kick with the other foot at the same time. You will not be able to do this easily the first time you try kickboxing, but there is something that you can do to improve your balance. Try and practice standing on one foot every day. Stand in your right foot at first and keep that position for a few minutes. Do the left foot afterward. As you get used to this, you will improve your balance and it will be easier for you to do kicks without your foot being wobbly. Punching. Practice your punching with a punching bag. The skills that you have to improve when punching are your speed and accuracy. Your kickboxing trainer will teach you the right stance and positioning of the hands when punching. Practice your skills every day at home so that you can improve your techniques. Proper breathing. Beginners in kickboxing tend to tense up their muscles when training. You should avoid this since it will restrict your body movements. Learn to breathe normally and relax as you perform kickboxing moves. Do not hold your breath while kicking or punching, as this will just use up your energy faster. Work on combinations. As you get better with your moves, your trainer will then teach you how to do kickboxing combinations. These can be combinations of punches, combinations of kicks, or kicking and punching combinations. Doing these combinations can be a great exercise routine that you can do every day. Practice your skills. Just like any other sport, all you have to do is practice to get better. As you go through your training, you will find it easier to do all the punching and kicking moves. You may even join some local tournaments for kickboxing if you are up for it. These are the steps that you can follow if you want to learn kickboxing. Remember to warm up and cool down before and after each kickboxing session. Kickboxing will use up your energy and keep your heart rate up, so it is important to take the necessary steps for your own safety.